You will speak in English farratedar अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे।
Respected teachers and my all dear friends, a very beautiful good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to start in the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. Then I would like to thank my respected teachers who gave me a golden chance to speak in front of you. This is Fayaz Raza, and basically I am from Bihar. Currently I am putting at Jamia Amjadiya Rizviya, and today I am going to tell about importance of English language. Before starting, I would like to say some lines in Urdu. कि अभी सूरज नहीं डूबा, अभी सूरज नहीं डूबा, जरा सी शाम होने दो। अभी सूरज नहीं डूबा, जरा सी शाम होने दो। मैं खुद लौट जाऊंगा, पहले मुझे नाकाम होने दो। मैं खुद लौट जाऊंगा, पहले मुझे नाकाम होने दो। और मुझे बदनाम करने का बहाना ढूंढता है जमाना, मुझे बदनाम करने का बहाना ढूंढता है जमाना। मैं खुद हो जाऊंगा बदनाम, पहले मेरा नाम तो होने दो। मैं खुद हो जाऊंगा बदनाम, पहले मेरा नाम तो होने दो। I am going to start my topic. Basically, my topic is about importance of English language. English language plays an essential role in our life to communicate each other. It is the main language for studying any subjects in all over the world. And English, it is the main language for studying any subjects in all over the world. And English is spoken by around us 360 million people around the world, and taught in 118 countries. And English is most important for every student. And English is becoming more and more common in the world as a result. And increasing people are dedicating time to study English and as their second language. In fact, many countries include it in their syllabus schools to teach children this language. And English is most important for improving ourselves and learning for bright future. And English is most important for growing our future. And why must we learn English? This is a question. Why must we learn English? Because first of all, it is global language. First of all, it is global language, and English can help you to get a job easily. And it is also official language of 53 countries, and it is also language of internet, and it will help to connect with people easily. And it is also essential to the world of business. Now I would like to share my journey of learning English speaking. Before a few months, I did not know English. My dear brothers and my dear friends told me you should join Global Spoken English. Then I joined Global Spoken English, and I did smart work. Then I improved my English. If you want to learn English, if you want to become an English speaker, you can learn by this institute. There are 4 types of concept. It is very important for learning English. First one, reading. It is also very important, because if you read daily one paragraph, one book, one chapter, you will improve your pronunciation, and you will increase your fluently. Second one is writing. It is also very important, because if you write one paragraph daily, you will improve your spellings and writing skills. Third one, listening. It is also very important. Fourth one is speaking. It is also very important, because if you speak English, you will remove your hesitation, you will remove your feeling shy. Now I would like to finish topic. I want to say some lines in Urdu. कि कैसा डर है जो दिन निकल गया, कैसा डर है जो दिन निकल गया, अभी तो पूरी रात बाकी है। कैसा डर है जो दिन निकल गया, अभी तो पूरी रात बाकी है। यूं ही नहीं हार सकता मैं अपनी हिम्मत, यूं ही नहीं हार सकता मैं अपनी हिम्मत, क्योंकि अभी कामयाबी से मुलाकात बाकी है।
हमारी ब्रांच है सर्वोदय इंटर कॉलेज के सामने मछुआरा मोड़, घोसी, जिला मोड़। हमारी दूसरी ब्रांच है मधुबन रोड, पुराना नवजीवन हॉस्पिटल के बगल में, घोसी, जिला मोड़। हमारी तीसरी ब्रांच है HDFC बैंक के बगल में, निकट थाना कोपागंज मोड़।